Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can delete recently played on Spotify. So if you open your Spotify and scroll a bit down, it's going to show you recently played. So by recently played, it means that all the songs which you just played recently is going to be shown. So as you guys can see on my recently played, it shows me all the songs that I have played recently. Now remember, there is no button which you can just click to remove the song from your recently played. You cannot delete it, but you can overwrite it. By that I mean, let's say I want to remove this song from my recently played, the one where it says happy mix. Okay, so let's say I want to remove this. So I need to count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I need to play 13 new songs. So this song gets pushed all the way back here and it disappears. So what I need to do is play 13 songs. It doesn't matter what song it is, I can play any random song I want. Just like this, if I just keep on playing random songs, I'm just going to play random song. Don't worry about it, guys. After you play like 13 random songs, it doesn't matter. It's going to be removed from your recently played. Because Spotify cannot store unlimited amount of recently played. It can only store like some amount on your recently played. And as you guys can see, all the songs which I recently played is being added over here, which means the song is going to be pushed further back, and it's going to be kept on pushing further back until it disappears from this list. So that is how we guys can delete recently played on Spotify. To subscribe to our channel, how one step. I'll see you guys next time.